Hey guys, quick review time. I wanted to go over a couple questions with you to see how you have been learning and how you are doing in these sections. So first one, here we go. True or false? I want you to keep track if you get them right or not, because these will be examples of test questions on your next test. The apparent change in the position of an object caused by the actual change in the position of the observer is called magnitude. True or false? It is actually false. Okay, so if you got that one wrong, make sure you study your apparent magnitude definition. All right, next one, true or false? The lower the apparent magnitude number, the brighter the object is. True or false? So if the number is lower, is it brighter? That is actually true. Okay, so the lower the number of apparent magnitude, it is brighter. So if that means if it has a high number, it is what? It's duller. Okay, it's not bright. All right, next question. The apparent magnitude of a star depends on two factors, one of which is the star's actual brightness. What is the other factor? A, temperature, B, density, C, stellar parallax, or D, the distance from the Earth. Okay, so your choices were A, temperature, B, density, C, stellar parallax, or D, distance from the Earth. That is D, the distance from the Earth, okay? So I know this is a little weird reviewing this way. We're doing the best we can with social distancing learning. So hopefully this will help you out a little bit, okay? For reviewing. Next question, what factor determines the color of a star? Is it the brightness, the density, the radiation, or the temperature? And I know you know this one because we talked about this a lot throughout this year in class. I've mentioned it a few times. It is actually the temperature that helps determine that color, okay? Last one for today. What are small dim stars outside the main sequence called? This one's a little harder. Students tend to get this one wrong. So I want you to listen to the question again. I want to say the answer choices. And if you don't know this or you don't get it right, you need to go back and look at this, okay? You need to study the main sequence. There are at least 3 questions on your test about that. What are small dim stars outside the main sequence called? Is it A, giants, B, white dwarfs, C, supergiants, or D, red dwarfs? It is actually your white dwarfs, okay? We talked about those when we were talking about the planet Pluto and the dwarf planets. So hopefully that will help ring a bell in your memory of when we talked about those at the beginning of March when we were still in class. So I hope you are all doing well. I miss you guys a lot and stay safe.